Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Hello. Hi. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my channel. This is DIY craft videos. So how are you guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most stunning and very unique button craft ideas. These button craft ideas are very incredible and very unique ideas for you guys. If you want different other craft videos, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload more videos about it. These are very amazing and very unique ideas for you guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and thank you so much for supporting my channel. And if you want different other craft videos, you must leave the comment in the comment section, and you must tell me about how much you like this video, and you watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these type of button craft ideas at home to decorate your homes and gardens. I hope so you enjoyed this video, and you must share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are super incredible and very pretty collection for you guys. So guys, take care, and remember me in your prayers. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz guys, take care.